that's me.
Oh, that's you, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, this is the last one.
Last one. Oh, I forgot to put on my goggles last time too, and that was horrible.
Did ya?
I was like, oh shit, I'm blinded.
I'm like, fuck.
Hey, here I am. Step away from the vehicle. Quit fucking with my brakes. I don't use them anyways.
How can I actually undo your brakes?
Step aside. There's so many rocks in my shoe.
Yeah, mine too.
I need new shoes. La 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 la.
For our last run.
Huh?
What are we gonna do for our last
Oh, the windy one for sure. Takes longer.
But then, like,
And I wreck less.
you want me to wear that helmet and then I'll go last and follow you guys?
Why?
I don't know.
Well, let's go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go full.
Let's fucking send it because like anytime I do it, like I gave it to Mike hoping to get footage of me. I was fucking ahead of you guys the whole time.
Yeah, the one race, yeah.
Oh,
First,
thanks, Aaron.
took a big spill. Imagine you had it on. That's
Oh, dude, it probably would have ripped it right off.
Wow, actually.
I rolled fucking pretty good.
Yeah, that's true. Would have been worth it though for everyone else. Obviously. Yeah, I reckon I'm gonna go like full fucking set.
Yeah, fucking send it.
Hey, boys. Helmet, boys. Yeah, I haven't took a spill yet, so.
Being a Hat Boiz is awesome. This is kind of sad. This might be one of the last Hat Boiz.
Yeah, well, this whole.
But Hat Boiz live on.
Hat Boiz will go to Australia.
Are you going back to Tiana tonight?
No. Why would I go all the way back there? Fuck.
Well, I don't know, the way you said it, I was like,
I'm crashing with you. We're cuddling for the next 2 days, James.
Cuddle boy!
Sonic's not with me. Never mind.
Cuddle boy!
Cuddle boys.
awesome, we've got to go. It's Friday night outside.
Okay. Where you staying, Joe?
I'm cuddling with James.
Ew! Cuddle boys! Hand job, boys! Ready?
Yay, let's go.
We're off to see the wizard! The wonderful wizard!
Oh, here I am. Oh, just told me. Oh, yeah, told me.
Literally, told you.
Oh, I thought I told you. Lot of mess. Lot of mess. Ah!
Back you can!
Back you can't. Yes, I can. Ah! Son of a bitch!
Suck it!
Goddamn Hat Boiz! almost went off the cliff. Good thing I got stuck on that big rock instead. Oh, that could have ended horribly in the 8 ways.
That could have been bad. Good thing he signed those waivers.
What was this thing you were teaching us about braking earlier?